Hi, this is Catherine from the QuickBooks team. QuickBooks Bill Pay makes it easy to keep track of what your business owes and manage payments to your vendors. Let's go over what you need on hand, then how to sign up for Bill Pay. Before you sign up for Bill Pay, you'll need a few key pieces of information: your business phone number, your employer identification number, or EIN, your business address, the business owner's date of birth, address, and social security number, your business's preferred payment method, and preferred billing account. Once you have that, you're ready to sign up for Bill Pay. Go to Expenses, Bill Payments. Select Activate Bill Pay to get started. Note that your QuickBooks subscription already includes Bill Pay Basic with 5 free ACH transactions, so you may just need to activate it. If you want more info on our other tiers, please visit our website. Next, tell Bill Pay about your business. Depending on what QuickBooks knows about your business, you may see different information here, but you can fill in your business's website, industry, and business type. You also need to enter your business phone number, which is used to verify your business. You can review what Bill Pay already knows about your business as well. Select Save and Continue. Then you'll enter information about the business owner, like their first and last name, mobile number, last 4 digits of their social security number, date of birth, and address. Select Save and Continue. Finally, you'll add your bank account. This is the account you'll pay your bills from. Choose your business's bank account from the list or enter it in the search. After that, you'll enter your bank's username and password and select which account you want to link to Bill Pay. Bill Pay saves you time and makes it easy to pay and track what you owe.